Alright, so, ayan, great day everyone. So, hello sa inyo. Okay, so we're back and nandito naman tayo sa ating presentation and ayan, thank you Lord, no? Okay, so totoo po talaga na dreams do come true. 'Di ba? So basta tinrabaho mo and yung purpose mo is malinaw and clear. Alright, so si Lord na bahala mag-bless sa'yo basta't gawin mo lang yung part mo. Alright, so shout out po sa mga natin, mga partners, ayan, sa ating mga participants nandito, local and international. Ayan, so hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Ayan, kung nasa Anglo-Palopan po kayo sa mundo right now. Ayan, si Sir Rene, good morning coach, watching from Negros. Ayan, si Miriam Umra, hi coach, shout out Bunsuran, First Pandi Bulacan. Ayan, Shioni, si Ma'am Gloria, ayan. Nagandaan ako sa compensation plan nyo po. Okay? Ayan. So, balikan nyo po yung nag-invite sa inyo. And ito, second part na po ito ng ating presentation. And if you have your invites, ayan, hindi sila nakaabot kanina. So, ako po yung magpe-present para po sa kanila. Alright? Ayan, si Ma'am Merlin. Alright, shout out coach. A new member umattend po sa webinar, Sir Navigator Flores, Dynamic Team Dreamers International. Yan, Gloria Seguros. Ayan, shout out Sir Roland. Thank you, Coach Mon. Ayan, San Mateo, Isabela. Jerry Limpiado. Ayan, what if I choose B, how much will I earn after a year? Alright, so what do you mean B? Okay. So, ano po, hindi ka po member, affiliate, so wala pong kitaan doon. Okay, pag B. Alright, so ayan, Ma'am Tresita. Okay, ayan. And congratulations having your new car. Yes, thank you so much po, no, ma'am. Ayan, matindi noon, may sasakyan tayo pero di pa tayo marunong mag-drive. Pero ngayon, medyo marunong na. Okay, nakapag-practice na po. Ayan, di ba? Ayan, so, thank you so much, no? Ayan, Ma'am Raquel, ayan. Congratulations. Okay, thank you po, thank you. Ayan, idol talaga. Ayan, katas ng Live Good. Yes, di ba? Pure result po yan, wala pong hype. Okay, so lahat po yun ay galing po sa trabaho natin dito sa Live Good. Okay? Ayan, so thank you. Ayan, Golden Heart International, Ma'am Raquel. Part Gina, ayan, Coach Mart, ayan, shout out. Okay, Chris Riveros. Ayan, Ma'am Chris, Ma'am or Sir Chris, okay? Ayan, correct me. Ayan, okay, good day po, Coach Mart. Okay, congrats. Thank you po, thank you. Ayan, Lilet Aguirre. Amo pa nga gabi. Ayan, sabtan god nga taga Tacloban, taga Dinha Leyte. Okay? Ayan. Edna Egar, ayan, watching from Greece. Ayan, Ma'am Edna. Ma'am Nila, watching from Kuwait. Ayan, partner Mads. Watching from Saudi Arabia, Nestor Ravache. Shout out po, Team Millionaires. Alright, so hindi ko na po maisa-isa po lahat, no? Kasi baka puro batian na lang tayo. Okay, so magsisimula na po tayo sa ating presentation ngayon. Ayan. So, hopefully, na-inspire natin yung marami sa inyo and syempre, ma-inspire din natin yung mga kapwa natin ng mga Gen Zs, no? Na hindi ka lang hanggang hingi lang, no? Hindi lang yung pal. Yan. Pal kasi ako dati. Palamunin. Di ba? So, I've decided na hindi lang ako pal. Ayan. Okay? So, I decided na, syempre, ako naman yung babawi. Ayan, na makapagbigay. Alright, so ngayon, hopefully na, ready na po tayo. Nakikita ko, ang dami ng ready. So, simulan na po natin, no? And record ko lang po ito. Right. So, share nyo po yung link again sa mga invites nyo. Okay, para mas may paliwanag natin po ang ating presentation ngayon. Okay? Ayan.
Recording in progress.
Live good morning everyone. Great day. And ngayon, nandito tayo sa ating Live Good Opportunity presentation. So, later on, tatlong bagay po yung madidiscover natin. Okay? Unang-una is madidiscover nyo po dito yung kumpanya. na pinagkakaguluan ng buong industriya, hindi lang sa Pilipinas kundi ng buong mundo kasi kakaiba po ang kanyang business model. Sobrang kakaiba po. First time in the history of direct selling, okay? Na mayroong ganitong konsepto wherein kumbaga brinake niya, okay? Brinake niya yung mga traditional, alright, na karamihan is kokonti lang talaga yung nagbe-benefit. Right? So dito, kakaiba po talaga. Okay? And number two, madidiscover po natin yung products na sobrang ganda in terms of quality and of course the pricing. Ayan. Okay? So, madidiscover din number three, ang syempre konsepto ng negosyong ito at kung paano po natin ito mamamaximize. Okay? Paano ka po din kikita dito. Alright? So I'm so excited na i-share to sa inyo and hopefully na ready na kayo. Okay? And make sure no na you stick with me until the end. Patapusin mo po ito nang sa ganun is that maintindihan mo. Alright? So I'm requesting na at least makapag-focus ka right now para mas makuha mo talaga at syempre maintindihan mo ang i-share ko sa inyo ngayon kung sino at kung ano ba si Live Good. So, syempre, mas ipapaliwanag natin yan dito sa ating mismong presentation. So, tune in ka lang, don't tune out. Alright. So, let's proceed. Okay? Ayan. So, sino ba si Live Good? Alright. Live Good officially launched globally on December 13, 2022 last year. So, that means, okay, as of today, okay, nare-record po itong presentation. Alright, so kaka 1 year lang po ni Live Good. Alright, so ayan, happy first year, ayan, anniversary sa atin dito sa Live Good. Woo, ayan. Alright, so grabe no, ang dami nang nangyari and sobrang dami na pong natulungan and including po ako doon and family namin. Alright, so grabe po talaga, sobrang blessed. Alright, so okay, today po. Okay, today nag 1 year na po si Live Good. Okay, so Live Good is a US-based direct sales company focused in these two things. Okay, the wellness and digital service industry. Alright, so alam naman natin na sobrang malaking industry to. And syempre, as we progress, okay, talagang mas kailangan talaga natin to. Okay, wellness, health is wealth. Okay, yung digitalization, so halos lahat online na. Okay, so halos nagta-transition na, 'di ba? Yung karamihan sa atin talaga to online. All right? And ayan, ang ating fulfillment center po ay nasa Jupiter Park, Florida. Ayan. Okay? So, ngayon, who is Live Good? Ayan, Live Good is a club membership that pays. Okay, kasi maraming mga club membership out there pero hindi ka naman binabayaran ni sentimo. Enjoy mo lang yung benefits pero wala kang kita. Right? Pero dito, you can earn money as a club member of Live Good. Okay? Club member of Live Good, whether or not you refer other members to the program. Yeah. Before ka mag-react, okay, kung totoo ba to or hindi. So, patapusin mo muna ito kasi meron po tayong paliwanag about dyan. Okay? Ayan. So, unlike most home business opportunities, Live Good is not about overpriced products. While maraming mga companies out there, mas pinapataasan na nila yung presyo ng kanilang products. Pero dito, we are about saving people money on health products. So if you have a passion for health and wellness, then this is for you. And if you have a passion for helping people, then this is also for you. And if you're not looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, then definitely this is for you. Kaya tune in ka lang, patapusin mo to. Huwag ka mag-tune out. Okay? And to tell you, Live Good is not like any other direct sales, gigantic or Jurassic na mga MLM. Okay? So, hindi na po tayo niyan. Bakit? Ano bang meron sa mga traditional? Right? So, meron, yung mga traditional kasi may product package. Right? And yung product package na yun, okay, kahit may mga products doon na hindi mo pa kailangan or hindi mo pa gusto, wala magagawa kasi kasama siya doon eh. So, makukuha mo. Okay? And mostly niyan, sa mga product package ay overpriced yung ano nila, yun yung products, overpriced. Okay? Ayan, which is, ayan, syempre, yung iba na nakakasimula pa lang, hirap talaga yan na, no, i-dispose or, what do you call this one, ibenta, no, para mabawi yung puhunan. Ayan. Okay? So, yung iba, kumuha ng maraming package, na-expire lang din kasi na-stock. right? And number 3, left and right pairing system. Okay, so ganun sa kanila, right? Sa mga traditional. And so far, sa nakita ko talaga, so may hindi rin syempre, may downside. Though hindi naman tayo kontra dyan kasi marami ding kumita dyan. Maraming mga, sabi nating mga umasenso, pinayaman. Pero if you look at bigger perspective, okay? Ayan. So, ano lang talaga yung mga pinaka nasa taas lang yung magbe-benefit. Yung pinaka nababa na mga kasali lang, lalo na nag-avail ng mga malaking mga package. Ayan, medyo hirap po yan. Lalo na mga multiple accounts. Naku po. Ayan, ilan lang yung gagana dyan. Hindi naman yan lahat malalagyan ng tao. Okay, ganun po yun. Okay, so kailangan kang pamangga para kumita. Right? So, ganun. And number 4, monthly maintenance on Unilevel. Tapos ang mahal pa. Alright? So kailangan mo bumili ng products every single month para ma-maintain mo yung yung rank mo at makuha mo yung commission mo. Right? And number 5 is fifth pair incentive. And sa experience ko hindi lang fifth pair eh. Okay, 3 4 5. 3 4 5 pairs instead na nakita na kita mo na kita pa ng company, okay? So points na pwedeng pampalit daw ng gadget, ayan, or kung ano pa man na gustong ipalit like Sodexo ganun, okay? Ayan, so pwede daw 'yan, right? Ayan. So number 6, limit of encoding. So kasi may maximum per cycle po 'yan eh. Ayan, sa mga binaryan natin dyan. Okay? Ayan. So, may maximum po yan. Since may maximum, may tinatawag din tayong flush out. So, pag sumobra yung encode mo sa kabila, okay? Left or right man yan. Ayan. Kung saan man yung winning side, that means na pag nag-encode ka, kikita ka, papares. Right? So, pag sumobra yan, sabi natin 5, nag-6 yung encode mo. Yung waiting to be paired mo na 10, 20, 50, or even 6 figures, tanggal lahat yan. Back to 0. Okay? Pag nagsobrahan ka lang ng encode. Diba? So, grabe talaga, no? And number 8, unexplained deduction. Yan. So, may mga fees or mga processing fees. I don't know kung totoo yan or ano ba. Okay? And number 9, high attrition. Okay? So, since, yan, dahil dun sa mga, reason na sinabi ko sa inyo, is mas talaga marami yung mga nag-quit kaysa sa mga nag-stay. And yung yan ay obsolete. Okay? Makaluma na. Okay? And good news. Yan, great news kasi andito na po si Live Good. Ayan, si Live Good po. Ayan, wala na tayong number 1 product package. Okay? Di ka na dito pepersahin bumili or magbenta. And hindi na overpriced yung products. Okay, matindi. And wala na rin tayong left and right pairing para kumita ka. Alright? And later on, i-discuss ko din sa inyo. And monthly maintenance on Unilevel. Right? So, wala na tayong maintenance sa Unilevel. Okay? Fifth pair. Di ba? Kita mo na. Di ba? Kita pa ng company. So, wala tayong ganyan. And dito, unlimited. Yun, na-appreciate ko. Grabe yung momentum. Unlimited. Okay? Hindi ka dito pipigilan mag-encode. Okay? Kasi wala tayong flash out. Okay? And lahat po, very transparent yung company natin. Wala tayong unexplained deductions. And number 9, kabaliktaran po sa Live Good, high stickability. Okay? Yung tao talaga mag-stay pag once naintindihan yung concept ng business. Ayan. Alright. And, ayan, ito naman po yung other reasons why you should join Live Good. Okay? So, number 1, we have these amazing products. So, that means na lahat ng mga products natin maganda quality and masusi na pinag-aralan na hindi yung putyo-putyo lang. Alright? And number 2 is incredible yung prices. Okay? So, ibig sabihin na hindi lang sa sa quality kasi marami sa atin pagka US company kailangan mahal, di ba? Yun yung inisip kagad natin. Pero di pala, pwedeng hindi. Incredible yung prices, okay? Which later on ma-discover nyo rin. And no auto shipping and no monthly products to buy. So, di ka na dito. Again, pipilitin bumili or magbenta ng products, okay? Para ma-maintain mo lang yung provision mo or kung ano pa man. Okay? And number 5 is 90 days empty bottle money back guarantee. Okay? Ayan. So, ibig sabihin na within 90 days, pag hindi mo na gusto yung products or may tumigas dyan na yun sa products mo or what. Okay? So, within 90 days, pwede mo sa uli mo yung lalagyan ng products and no questions asked, ibabalik sa inyo yung pera nyo. Ganun kalupit. And number 6, number 1 business to join, literally. Alright? Literally talaga. Okay? So, ngayon, kung nag-research ka, kung naghahanap ka ng credible na site. So, pwede mo puntahan ito. Yan, Business for Home. Okay? Sa Business for Home po, ayan, nagkaroon po sila ng, para itong Forbes magazine ng direct selling. Ayan. So, ngayon, sa ating pag-vote po dito sa BFH. So, it was way back March, April yata to eh. Okay? Ang pinagbotohan naman po ay Top Direct Selling Compensation Plan. Ayan, okay? So, grabe no, kabago-bago lang ni Live Good that time, pero bakit nag-top 5? So, may kakaiba po dito. Okay? Ayan, so may kakaiba. And matindi nito kasi nagkaroon ulit ng voting. Top direct selling, ayan, okay? Ayan, most trusted direct sales company of 2023. Yan. Matindi, bakit kanina top 1? Top 5, ngayon top 2. Okay? So sabi pa nga, no need to believe what I say. Let's see what the people say. Live Good is one of the most trusted company of 2023. Grabe, no? So, ngayon, dinideclare ko lang to dati na, mag-top 1 din. And true enough. Right? Nag-top 1 po talaga. Grabe, last month lang po ito. Top direct selling companies of 2024. Yun, grabe, may 2024 na, no? Okay? Tumatindi, top 1 na po. Okay, top 1 na si Live Good. Ayan. Okay? So, ang mission natin to people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. Matulungan tayo magpaka-healthy na hindi mabutas yung bulsa mo, na hindi masasaktan ang wallet mo. Okay? Ayos ba yon? Alright? So, meet our Live Good team. And ito po, sobrang nakaka-amaze. Siyempre, ang ating owners, right? Ayan, ito ang ating CEO, si Ben Glinsky. With 20 years of experience owning and running some of the most successful companies in the nutritional supplement industry. Yan, Ben knows how to help people win. Right? So, ang ating owner po ay hindi po yung bagito lang na kaka-start lang. Okay? Na negosyante lang, no? Ayan, hindi po. Networker po na ginagawa po talaga niya ito. Alright? Eventually, naging owner sa iba't ibang companies and ayan, natuto din siya. And right now, ginawa pa itong si Live Good para mas marami pang matulungan. In fact, dati pa nga, sobrang dami nang natulungan nito eh. Kasi sabi niya pa nga sa video, close to $1 billion na po na payout ng commission. Grabe talaga. And very hands-on, very transparent. Meron po tayong mga Zoom, right? And sila po mismo nag-update. Yun, okay? Ayan. And at kasama din po natin ang ating mga product, formulator. Ayan. Si Doc, Ryan Goodkin and yan, Lisa Goodkin. So, mag-asawa po yan sila. Right? So, kumbaga, hindi basta-basta paggagawa ng natin mga products kasi may mga background yung gumagawa. Magandang track record. Okay? Ayan. Lalo nitong si Doc Ryan. And ito naman si Lisa, ito talaga sila yung holistic. Okay? So, naging health coach din siya. Ayan. And, when it comes to living a healthy lifestyle, ayan, Lisa not only teaches people how to maximize their health and wellness. Okay? And etc. Okay? So, siya mismo ina-apply yung ginagawa ay sinasabi niya. Alright? And, ito naman po si Noder. Okay? Legend na po ito sa network marketing industry. Okay? So, matindi po talaga to. And sobrang dami niya na rin pong natulungan. Alright? Kaya kung bakit ganun yung momentum, ganun yung growth ng company is because of these awesome people. Ayan, alright? And we have around 18 life-changing products. Okay? So, marami na po. Plus, mas dadami pa. Okay? Ayan. And highest quality products, the purest, most natural ingredients from the most pristine locations on the planet and world-class manufacturing facilities. Okay? So, high quality talaga. And made in the USA. Okay, made in the USA. Ayan, and syempre naman natin sa US is talaga yan, quality. Okay, approved by the GMP, lalo na pag-approved by the GMP. Okay, lab tested for purity and potency. Okay, ayan. So ito naman po ating mga new products like itong CBD pain relief cream. Okay, so yun, sumasakit yung kasukasuhan. Okay, and collagen peptides. Yan, so meron tayong mga dito, mga patented na mga ingredients like Velocitol, Polinol, and Apresflex. Okay, so maraming yan benefits. Pero main benefit yan is yung hair, nails, ayan, yung overall na health mo, no, sa sa ayan, skin, okay? Ayan, yun nga, sabi ko sa inyo, hair, nails, okay, and marami pa po sa guts, ayan. Ayan, facilitate muscle growth and lean body mass and faster muscle recovery. Okay, so energy and focus patches. So from the word energy and focus, kung wala kang focus, okay, and wala kang energy, ayan. Okay, so kailangan mo ng ano, ng yan, patches na ito. Okay? Pag hirap ka rin matulog, ayan, sleep patches po yung bagay sa inyo. Alright? And ito matindi, kagaya ng sabi ko sa inyo, di po tayo putyo-putyo lang. Okay? Meron tayong tinatawag ng certificates of analysis. Each product of Live Good is tested and approved under a recognized laboratory, Alternative Labs 4740S. Okay? So, ayun nga no, yung mga ano natin dito, yung mga products ay talagang masusi na pinag-aralan. Okay? From the selection of ingredients up to finished product, no? So may testing. All right? And yan po, makikita nyo po yan sa ating website www.livegood.com, certificates of analysis. Okay? Ayan. So nasa pinakababa po yan. All right? And yan po, if you know mga nasa medical field, yan yung mga chemist, ayan. So alam po yun nila basahin. Okay? So ganun tayo ka-confident sa ating mga products. Right? Kasi may mga studies talaga. Right? Our products are also, ayan, GMP certified. Okay? Pag sinabi natin ganyan, so hindi lang po isang area tinitingnan. Location, machinery, processing, sanitary, maintenance, and personnel. Alright? And not just, we also have different, certifications, caffeine-free, cruelty-free, gluten-free, soy-free, third-party lab-tested, 100% vegan, ayan, GMP certified, keto-friendly, non-GMO, nut-free, and USDA organic. Alright, so, ibig sabihin lang nan is 100% organic po. Okay? Yung ating mga products dito of high quality, walang insecticide, pesticide, or mold yeast, no? Na nahalo, okay, sa mga natin, products natin. Okay, so make sure talaga natin na pag tinik natin to, magkaroon ka ng magandang effect sa health mo. Right? And ito naman po, wellness for all. Okay, so we have, ayan, different kind of, wellness. Okay? Ayan. So we have men's health, nutrition, women's health, skincare, body cleansing, anti-aging, immunity, weight management, and energy. Alright? So, ibig sabihin lang nito is that kung anong kailangan mo, ano yung mga need mo. Ayan, lalo sa health, yan, sa health natin. So, yan, pwede kayo mag-order, right? Sa ating, ayan. Ayan, ito yung mga category. And magkakaroon po tayo next years to come, kakaroon po tayo ng mga over 200 plus products. Ayan. Okay? Ayan. So, ganun kaganda. Iba't ibang industry po yun. Ayan, andyan po yung solar panel, andyan po yung mga ayan, basta marami pa po 'yan. Okay? Ayan. So ngayon, ayan, how do I order products? Yan. Or as a consumer or a member. Ayan, pag consumer ka, you pay low prices. And pag nag-member ka, you pay much lower prices. Alright? So, ganoon siya kaganda. And ayan, sobrang na-appreciate ko din is si Live Good po ay available in over 200 plus countries. Yes po. Okay? Ayan. So, kumbaga global ready siya. No? Kaya kung pipili ka lang din naman ng company, right? Ayan, kung may nagmamasid sa atin dito, ay doon ka na sa globally ready. Ibig sabihin, matatanggap mo yung product, makapag-payout ka. Okay? Diyan sa kung anong currency ng country. Okay, ayan. So ngayon, pag nag-member ka sa Live Good, ayan, member save up to 75%. Okay? Ayan, compared to products in other, hindi po 75% off 75% po yung matitipid nyo compared sa ibang companies. Alright? So, alam naman po natin yung story ni David and Goliath, tama? Ayan, okay? So, si David, pinatumba niya si Goliath with just one stone. Okay? Ayan. So, ngayon, si Live Good po, tayo po yan, si David. Alright? Ayan. So, ngayon, itong Sigulayat, yun nga, price gouging MLMs, yun po yung mga companies na papatong ng pagkalaki-laki sa mga products. Actually, kailangan yung gawin para makasurvive. Kasi yun yung yun yung, what do you call this one? Yun yung dun kukunin yung mga commission, alright? Yan sa patong sa mga products, dun kukunin yung commission. Yan ng mga, distributor, top earners, ayan, and even company or kita ng company owners, empleyado. Ayan, pag may billboard, may artista, nako, doon yan doon yan na kinuha yung bayad. Right? Which is doon nagsisimula yung pahirap. Ayan, where hindi naman talaga yung iba hindi rin what do you call this one? Yan nga, ngayon na sabi ko sa inyo, mga price gouging MLMs, ayan, na mostly in local international, ayan, marami talaga dyan na, according sa ating CEO din, na less than 1% lang yung kumikita ng talaga dyan, ng full time, ibig sabihin 6 figures per month. Okay? Ayan. So, dahil nandito na po si Live Good, and kakaiba po yung kanyang concept ng negosyo, ayan, so, wala tayong magagawa. Unti-unting papatumbahin ni Live Good yung mga price gouging na yan. Tapos na tayo sa era ng mga pagpapatong ng pagkalaki-laki sa mga products. Alright? And ayan, sabi pa nga ni Noder, the Director of Network Marketing, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. So, tapos na po yan. Kaya yung pagpapatong ng pagkalaki-laki sa mga products. Okay? Ayan. So, gaano ba kaganda yung mga products natin? Right? Ito naman po. Ayan, sample. Ayan, sample po natin. Yan po ang ating, itong CBD na lang, no? Ayan, CBD oil. So, maraming benefits din po yan. Anti-anxiety, anti-cancer. Alright? And, sa iba, binibenta, 500 mg, 80 to $90. Grabe, no? Sa atin nilang 80, actually yan 18 eh. 14.95. Grabe. 750 mg, 50% much stronger. Tapos, ang affordable. Grabe, no? Oh, ito naman, ayan, yung greens. Okay? Sa iba binibenta, $70 to $100. Okay? Sa atin, magkano? Grabe, nakakanister pa yan. $18. Okay? Ito naman ating collagen peptides. Ayan. Sa iba binibenta, $70 to $80. Sa atin, magkano? 27.95. Right? Ayan. Ito naman sleep patches. 14 point, ayan. Sa iba binibenta, $40 to $70. Sa atin is, ayan, almost, yan, 14.95. Grabe. No, kaya price pa lang, tapos na yung boxing. Okay, tapos na yung boxing. Alright? Ayan, kaya kailangan makuha natin and maintindihan na ganoon kaganda, kaya hindi lang sa sa quality kundi sa pricing din. Ayan. Okay, sa pricing. Alright? Ayan. So ngayon, ayan, let's proceed, no? So ito na po comparison sa mga sa members price and retail price. Okay? Ayan. So, makikita nyo po dyan, ayan, retail price na ating multivitamins men and women, 7.95. And 9.95 ng pag member. 60 capsules, guys. Okay, 60 capsule. Alright? Matindi talaga, no? Around 580 lang pesos. Grabe. Sobrang talaga, sobrang mura. Kaya, sulit. Okay? Ito naman ating mushroom. Ayan, coffee with mushroom. Okay, retail price 28.95 and members price 7.95. Okay, so good siya for weight management and complete plant-based protein. And malaki din po yan, $34 pag nag-retail. And member ka, $22 lang. Yan. And ito guys, meron evolution sa lahat. Right? So like pag-access natin information. Diba? Oh, may newspaper, radio, may TV na. And eventually right now, in the future, ngayon, okay, is meron tayong mga gadget. Okay? So nag-evolve po talaga. No? Ayan, tapos ito naman pagbili natin, dati barter. Medyo naging market, supermarket. Yan, right now online, Amazon, eBay, Alibaba, Shopee, Lazada, TikTok Shop. Ayun. Okay, so ngayon sa sa mga sistema ng mga traditional, yan, same pa rin. Okay, same story, old multi-level system, binary with multiple heads, maraming accounts. Okay? And hybrid binary with multi-level system. So, price gouging pa rin. And nandito na po si Live Good, affiliate marketing with subscription that pays. Sabi po ni Asher, no? Yan, pag, if you don't evolve, you dissolve. You evolve or you evaporate. Okay? Ayan, kaya yung iba, kung hindi mo makapag-adapt, baka magaya ng pandemic. Okay, na yung iba, nag-force close talaga. Okay? Ayan, kumbaga completely close na sila. Ayan, okay? So ngayon, ano ba yung ano natin konsepto? Subscription. Okay? Ayan, subscription. Ano ba yung subscription? A recurring revenue model in which customer pay weekly, monthly, or yearly in exchange for your products or services. Customers can renew their subscription after a certain period of time. So, kumbaga, yun nga, nababayad monthly or yearly, nandiyan natin benefits na in-offer nila. Okay? Ng mga ano, kung nasang company tayo, okay, babayad, no? Netflix, Zoom, right? Even Meta right now. Grabe, no? Para may blue check ka. Yun, okay? Tapos, why is subscription important? Bakit po important ito? Kasi, yan, na-enjoy mo yung benefits ng subscription eh. Okay? Tapos, it increase customer loyalty yung customer base. Yan. So, yung mga tao mag-stay kasi na-enjoy nila yung benefits na offer. Okay? So, what is subscription advantage? Subscription payments lower the barrier to entry for products and services and allow more potential customers to purchase your products. Yan. Kasi hindi naman sa pinagkakitaan yung products eh. Kaya mas maraming mag-stay, maraming afford. Okay? Ayan. Alright. Ayan. So, ito naman po yung mga popular membership. Okay, meron po tayo yan, Amazon Prime, yan, may mga free shipping po yan, and marami pang benefits. And Netflix, yan, kung mahilig ka manood ng Netflix, yan, so monthly or yearly din po yung nagbabayad, Sam's Club and Costco, yan, sa mga, discounted, no? Yan, ang mga, products sa loob. Yan, tapos, Disney Plus, ayan. So, monthly or, yearly din. Okay? Ayan. So, ngayon sa ano pa ba yung mga popular membership? Like ayan, Netflix, HBO Go, streaming services, gym membership. Ayan. So, yan? Weekly or monthly yung yan, pag-payment. Alright? So, para I think, monthly. Alright? Monthly yung pagbayad ng sa gym, no? Alright? Ayan. So, ngayon, ano pa ba? Itong mga life plan. Yan. Okay, yung mga security plan, mga insurance, di ba monthly, mayroon din binabayaran dyan. Okay, pero makukuha mo ng benefit pag may nangyari or may natsugi, di ba? Okay, ganun po yun. And to tell you, yung mga company, walang binibigay na kita. Only with Live Good. Grabe. Alright? Live Good lang po talaga. Okay, so, ito. Paano ba yung magkano ba yung revenue ng Netflix? Gano'ng kalaki? Last year, 31.6 billion, right, dollars. And yung Zoom naman, ayan, umabot ng 4.39 last year. Amazon Prime, 25.21 billion dollars. Okay, yung niya, kumbaga, naging earnings niya, no? Ang kita niya, okay? Nung, kumbaga, nagbabayad pa lang yung tao monthly. Alright? And ito naman po yung Costco. Yan, yung Costco naman po ay may 223 million members. Okay, since February 2023, yung Costco. Ayan, tapos, kaya yun po yung trend, palaki. Kasi ganun talaga pag subscription. Basta tama yung tama yung ginagawa mo. Okay? And, what you call this one? Alright, makikita nyo dyan, no? Di ba, papalaki yung, yung revenue ni Costco, di ba? And to tell you again, wala pong kitaan dyan. Alright? Walang kitaan. Okay? Wala pong kitaan dyan. Ayan. And what if may company na mag-offer sa'yo na club membership din, subscription, pero this time, bibigyan ka naman po ng share or dividend or kita. Would you want to take a look, diba, sa company na to? Ayan. Siyempre naman. Okay? So, ayan. Welcome po sa Live Good. Ayan. Tanong, would you like to earn up to $2,000 or more per month? Yan, or more per month. For those interested in earning with Live Good, stay for the second part of the presentation. Alright. Ayan. So now we also give you the opportunity to earn income with the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. So paano maging affiliate member? So balik kaming tao nag-invite sa inyo. Ayan. And Ayan. Fill up ka lang yung form na send niya. Okay? Ayan. And magbabayad ka po ng pay one time $49.95 sa unang ano mo. Unang buwan mo. Okay? Tapos in the following month, $9.95 na lang. Yun po yung subscription natin, monthly membership. Okay? Ayan. So, mga around yung 49, mga around 2,925, right? And 585. Okay? 585 po yung yung 9.95. Alright? So, ngayon, alright? Ano makukuha mo sa 49.95? Okay? So, syempre, access to membership club. Okay? So, wala pong physical products yan. So, let me clarify. Okay? Wala pong physical products. Okay? Kasi products dito, bibilhin pa lang. Okay? And digital marketing products, so lahat po online na. And you can participate in the compensation plan. Okay? So, ngayon, maganda ito kasi provided na po sa atin. Meron po tayong website, not just one, but 5 websites like retail, Powerline, corporate, Super Red, Super Greens. Yan, meron tayong retail kung saan pwedeng Shopee, Lazada, doon natin i-send yung yung link. Ayan, tapos doon sila mag-order. Powerline landing page, so diyan po yung diyan po yung tayo nagpapa-member. Right? And corporate site, yan po, so about sa company. And nadagdagan po Super Greens and Reds na landing page. Okay? Ayan, so ganun siya ganun siya ka-provided na para sa atin. So ngayon, the compensation plan structure will be powered by a powerful unilevel and a forced matrix. Okay? So ngayon, wala na po tayo again left and right. Okay? Na tinatawag na pairing. So unilevel na lang ang forced matrix. Okay? So ngayon, we have this tinatawag na 7 ways to earn. We have weekly fast start, weekly commissions, influencer bonuses, diamond bonus pool, crown diamond bonus pool, okay, matrix commissions, and matching. Okay? So, ayan, weekly. Ayan, isa-isa natin weekly fast start. Okay, from the word weekly, so weekly po siya. In layman's term, ito siya yung share ko sa inyo. Layman's term yung fast start is direct sell. Ayan, ano po siya pag what you call this one, pag mayroon ka pong direct, okay, ayan yung fast start. Okay, the fast start bonus is at one time $25 bonus from all your directs. Yan, pag may mga bago kang napapa-join, so meron kang $25. Okay, yan, so binabayaran nila. Yan, so ngayon maganda dito kasi infinite wide and 10 levels deep. So as you rank up the higher, the bigger income magkakaroon ka kasi ayan, marami nag-rank up. Okay, and yan po, nakikita nyo naman dyan. Okay, talagang naingay talaga. Okay, ayan. Okay, makikita nyo dyan, no? Ito po, ayan, mga rank up po natin, bronze, silver, gold, platinum, diamond. Okay, up to 10 levels deep. Okay, ayan. So, ganoon siya kaganda kasi right now, no, kaya sinabi ko talagang nag-iingay po tayo. Okay? Ayan, sa buong mundo. 'Di ba? So, i-take advantage po natin lalo pag rank up para wala pong masayang na commission. All right? Ayan. So, yan po, no, yan yung corresponding na niya. Okay? So, ngayon, ito po yung sample computation ng ating fast start. Ayan. This part alone can easily beat other comp plan designs. And may kita dyan, di ba? Number, kumbaga, power of 5. Kahit 5 yung ma-refer mo, kahit alang taon pa yan. Okay? Tapos, ganoon din yung mission mo sa 5 mo. May makuha din ng 5. Okay? So, yung commission mo per affiliate is $25. Okay? Sa unang level mo. Second level, 125. 125 na tao eh. And level 3 is, yan, 312.5. Okay? Level 4, 2.5. Yung 156, 2.5. Alright? So, papalaki na papalaki. Yung total niyan up to 10 level is, ayan, $6.1 M. Alright? And matindi niyan, magkano? 349. Grabe, no? Grabe. Alright? Matindi talaga. Ganon kalaki pwedeng, talaga. Kaya walang time frame yan. 1, 3, 4, 5 years. 10 years. Okay? Yan, 8 figures yan. Right? In peso. Ayan. Okay, hindi pala 8, 9 figures, I mean. Okay? Ayan. So, ito naman power of 30. Okay? Ayan, 30 naman. So, sabihin natin kahit mga 1 year. Grabe no, at least titigo 1 year. Di ba? So, 30 direct mo o 750 yung 30 din tutulungan natin. Okay? Ayan. So, ito sample lang po ha. Sample. Ayan. So, depende rin po sa rank natin. So, all in all, at least level 4 lang tayo, no? Ayan, ayan, 2 M dollars. Right? Ayan. Or 119 M. Grabe, no? In peso. Grabe, lupit. Ito pa lang matindi na. Okay, so paano mag-rank up? Simple lang. Pag mag-bronze ka, this $5. Yung, ayan, $5, 25 to $5. Okay, refer ka lang dalawa, bronze ka na. Ayan, silver naman, refer ka lang ng 20. Or 10 directs plus team of 20 or 4 or 300 directs. Okay, bronze plus team of 20. Okay, so gold, ayan. So 30 directs plus team of 100 or 3 of your team nag-silver. Ayan, I mean personal direct mo plus team of 100 and di kaya 4 of your directs may tig to 30 yung tatlong line mo tapos yung isa 10. Team of 100 and gold ka na. Platinum up to 8 level. Okay, 100 directs naman to up to team of 500. Alright, and ayan, makikita nyo dyan. Ayan, number 2 is paano ka mag-direct ka na mag-gold din sila. Right? Tapos team of 500. Or di kaya for directs yung tatlo, may tigo 150, isa 50. So, team 500 yan. So, platinum ka na. Diamond na mo to 10th level. At least 3 of your directs are platinum. So, 5. Or di kaya, 5 sa directs mo na may tig, for 500 na total team. Okay? 2, 5 lahat. Diamond ka na. From diamond naman up to 50,000 naman. Alright? So, pwedeng 5 na may tig 10,000 na total member or pwede naman 10 may 5,000 total member. Okay? So 2 by 15 matrix na tayo monthly, kanina weekly, ito monthly naman. Alright? So dito, okay, siyempre system maglalagay ng tao. So mangyayari is that sa mga nagsisimula. Okay? Ayan, pag masipag na sa taas mo, di malalagyan ka kaagad. Okay? Pero kahit kung wala pa man, wag lang mainip. Okay? Kasi lang tayo malalagyan. Ayan. So ngayon pag nagbabayad na tayo ng ayan, ng 9.95. Ayan, makikita niyo yan, 'di ba? Nating monthly membership. Okay? Kada tao na nagbabayad under sa atin, sa Matrix natin, invite man natin or hindi, meron kang 0.25 cents. Kaya dating yung time talaga, kahit wala kang refer pa, kikita ka pa rin talaga. Okay? Pero mabagal nga lang. Oh, 'di ba? Okay? Pero siya, pag natrabaho, okay, sulit. Right? And ito monthly na po ito. And yung 2 by 15, ayan, is multiple of 2 lang. Ikaw, 2, 4, 8, 16, 34, 128, nasa baba. And 15 up to 15th level. Okay? And paano ba nagpupuno yung matrix natin? Paano mapuno? So, simple lang. Ikaw itong nasa taas. Okay? And, yan, makikita mo dyan is, ayan, yung pag-placement, no? So, left muna, tsaka, doon na yung right. Tapos, pag wala ka pang na-refer, yan sila may na-refer na or sa taas mo. Ayan. So, makikita nyo po dyan, yan, puro lang, left lang, no? Ayan. So, next naman dito is, ayan, right na lahat. Ayan. Okay? Tapos, ayan po, no? Left lahat, tapos right, left, right. Ayan, tapos pababa na po yan. So, yan po yung placement ng natin ng matrix. Okay, kaya makikita nyo dyan, yan lang po yung corresponding earnings nila. Yan, okay? Tapos, ayan po, ito po yung maximum. Pag unrank ka, walang na-refer, pag dumami yung tao mo na puno, pwede kang kumita 2,047.50. Okay? Ayan, so depende po yan, alright, kung kailan pupuno. Pero kung tutulong ka, di yun, mas lalaki. Kasi pag nag-rank up ka pa, yan, level 13, 14, 15. Okay, diamond, ayan, level 15. Yan po yung maximum. Okay? Ayan, so worth it ba sa mga, nag-wait? Okay, mga waiters. Okay? Ayan, kasi, merong natatanong. Okay? So, tanong, worth it ba? Okay? And I think naman, I'm not promoting this one, pero for the sake na alagaan mo yung subscription mo, maintindihan ko sa iyo. Okay? Ayan. So, pagka up to first to fourth level ka lang, minimum 0.50 to $8 per month kikita mo. Hindi pa yun enough para bayaran yung subscription. Pero dito, pag umabot 5th to 12 level, minimum 16 dollars and maximum of 2,047.50 per yan, per month. Yan. And ito matindi. This is enough to pay your monthly subscription and now you're in profits levels. Kumikita ka na po. Right? Ayan. So, sabihin nating 12 what do you call this one? 1 year. So, ginastos mo na 6,000 plus. Okay? Tapos doon ka pa kumita ng 113,000. Sulit ba? Sulit, 'di ba? Even yan. Even ayan 36 3 years na 'yan. Okay? So, doon pa napuno, sabihin natin yung 8,190. So, 20,000, 113,000 per month. Sulit pa rin ba? Okay? Ayan. Or sabi natin 5 years. Grabe, no? 5 years. Okay? So, yun ka. So, just ka na babayad. Babayad ka lang. Okay? Ayan. So, ngayon, may kita nyo dyan, 33,000, di ba? Ayan. So, ito to tell you, yung 6,000, 20,000, 30,000, sulit pa rin, di ba? Kahit mag 5 years, 10 years, 62,000 pa rin. Okay? Tapos, nag-113 ka na per month, sulit pa rin talaga. Alright? Pero to tell you, yung mga amount na yan is dito yan kukunin. 5th to 12 level. Oo, di ba? Okay? Kasi di naman kailangan mapuno ka agad para mabayaran ka. Okay? As long as may tao dyan nagsusubscribe, ayan, babayaran ka na po. Right? So, pero in-encourage namin, bakit namin mas gusto na refer ka kaysa maghintay. Right? So, kasi ganito yan. So, yan sa referral, no? Ayan, sa ating fast start. Okay? So, pag naka-enroll ka na ng isa, weekly pa, $25 agad. Whereas pagka spillover lang hinihintay natin. Okay? So, depende po yan. Okay? Pero, kailangan mo muna mapuno yung level 6, mag 100 ka tao i-under sa'yo para kumita $25. Okay? So, ito naman, to referral. Okay? To referral, $50. Okay? Ayan, tapos 200 spillover pag so monthly din to para kumita ng $50 din. Okay? Ayan, tapos ito naman, ito yung pinakamalaking kita talaga, matching. Ayan, sa matching, simple lang, may 50% ka sa lahat ng mga directs mo. So, ganito lang yan, kumita si Pedro na 1,000, may 500 ka. Okay? Ayan, kumita si Juan ng 500, may 250 ka. Kumita si, si Maria, $100, may 50 ka. Si Marites, $200, may 100 ka. Yun lang po yun. Okay? So, matching bonus, 5 generations deep. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, kahit sa baba nyo, pinakababa nyo is may rank up. Okay? So, ka pa rin, kumbaga, mayroon ka pang additional. Ayan. Okay? Parang ito yan. Right? So, yan. 10 direct sponsor mo, 10. Team mo, 10. Okay? Ayan. So, may tax income at least $100. Okay? And matching $50. So, 500. So, silver naman. Okay? Up to 10. Ayan. So, nag 100 na yung team mo. Okay? So, ayan. Makikita nyo dyan, $100. Alright? Ayan. Tas 10%. Ayan. 1,000. So, kukompute mo dyan, lahat pag, assuming na diamond is 39 talaga. Ayan. $39,000. Grabe, no? Okay? So, ito guys, bakit namin encourage na ipwesto mo na yung family members nyo? Kasi nga, para at least in the future, pag trabahuin mo to, is that pati sila mag-benefits. Okay? So, ngayon, yung bronze kasi, okay, pang maximum na ang kikitain is 4,095.50. Okay? So, dalawang family member mo, tig 2,047, kaya 4,095. Okay? So, may matching ka sa kanila dalawa, 2,047.50. Right? Ayan. So, grabe, no? Pag ka lang, nakapag-refer ka na, puno yung metrics nyo kayong lahat. Total na kikita ng kahit bronze pa lang is, 500,000 monthly income. That is month after month after month after month. Every single month. Imagine mo, simpleng pamilya. Kumikita ng ganun. O, sabi natin, ito na lang, 20 directs. Siyempre, nakita mo, masisipagan mo na lang. Di ba? O, meron kang, 50% matching bonus per direct. So, dahil may, direct ka, so, meron kang, 50% matching. Okay? So, ngayon, total yan. Okay, so 20 times yan, 20,475. So that is, ayan, pag napuno yung matrix nila, yung 20 yun is 1.1, 1.1 million every month after month after month after month income. Okay? Ayan. So ngayon, ito naman vision natin. Itong vision, kailangan makuha nyo talaga to. Okay? 100 na solid direct referral. 100 solid. Sabihin 100 na na diamond. Pag nag-diamond kasi yan, kay matic yan. Okay, yung matching mo, yan tataas, yan medyo. Okay, so ngayon makikita nyo naman dyan, alright, ayan, 890, 175 total na earnings mo. Or ang mangyayari niyan is yan, in peso, that is 45 million month after month after month after month after month na income mo. Okay, grabe ganun kalaki. Imagine mo anong buhay na meron tayo niyan. 'Di ba? O sino mga matutulungan natin? Matindi talaga. Okay? So yun po yung vision. So hopefully nakaka-catch up po natin and possible po makapag-refer ng marami. Yes. Top 1, top 2 natin 1,000 plus na yung nire-refer nila eh. Okay? And ito naman retail commission. Right, up to 10 levels deep, retail commission is a 50% bonus of difference between members price and retail price. Alright, so infinite wide din siya, 10 levels deep. And influencer bonuses, pag influencer ka, hit mo lang yung quota, retail sales per month, ayan is, okay, kita nyo, $50,000. Alright, so pag yan, pagka pila pa niyan, so may additional pa. Yan, na commission pagka na-hit mo yan yung 50,000, okay, ayan, hit nyo lang po yan, ayan, and eventually, okay, so company magbibigay niyan. So hindi po yan hindi po yan na pilitan, right? So pag na-hit nyo lang yung yung quota, ayan, so dating din yung time, may dating yung time na ayan na bibigay na na 100% yung kita mo. Kasi kanina sa retail is sample nun is merong patong na $6 yung company sa product. Try sa company. Dito naman is pag ka ganyan. Ayan, so na po yan. Na-hit mo lang yung quota is that pwedeng ibigay sa'yo lahat. Instead na 3, 6 lahat sa'yo. Ganun kalupit. Okay? And diamond bonus pool, okay, 2% of total sales from all membership. Okay? And all membership and product sales divided equally among all diamond rank affiliates and is paid with monthly commissions. Okay? So, ayan po, diamond bonus pool 2%. Ibig sabihin, ayan, 2% ng sales ng buong mundo, okay, paghati-hati ng diamond. Yan, and right now, I think 80 plus, 70 plus ba? 80. Okay, crown diamond naman, ayan, 0.5% of total sales. So, kanina, from, hindi lang pag nag-diamond, crown diamond, hindi lang pala, ayan, crown diamond. Okay? Makukuha kundi, pati yun, yung diamond din. So, the best talaga. Alright? And ito po yung sample ng mga kumita, including me. Grabe, no? Alright? So, ganun ka, kaganda yung negosyo natin. And yan po yung future naghihintay sa inyo. Kung nagawa namin, alam kong kayang-kaya niya rin. Alright? And ayan, right now, ay hindi ko po na-update to. Okay, so po na tayo? 900. Okay? 900 plus 910. Okay? In just 1 year, grabe. Okay? Itong isa, 30 years na 267,000 pa rin. Okay? And right now, yan, 900. Okay? 900 plus subscribers global. First 5 million tayo na, na nakasubscribe. Alright? Ayan. So, lahat tayo dito. Okay? Be blessed kasi magiging first 5 million tayo. Okay? Ayan. 911. Ayan, 911,000 na pala. Okay? Ayan po, no? So, yung projection, 1 million subscribers in December 2023. Alright? And 20 to 200 million subscribers will be joining in the years to come. So, ayun guys, no, kumbaga sa mga nag-iisip pa dito, kung legit ba to, 'di ba? Kung nag-isip kang scam to, 'di ba? Yung 900,000 plus, nag-isip ba rin ba 'yun? Nagduda din ba 'yun? Of course. Pero bakit umabot ng ganung kadami, ganung kalaki? 'Di ba? So that means may kakaiba talaga dito. Alright? Kaya if I were you, aralin mo kaagad, simulan mo, i-workout natin. Alright? I-workout natin sa ganun. Siyempre, ikaw naman yung susunod magkaroon ng gusto mong result. 'Di ba? Kasi ano to itong plane of opportunity, lilipad po talaga to. Sa totoo lang, lilipad po talaga to. Okay? So, it's a matter of ano lang, it's a matter of you know, time, okay, sa'yo, sa part mo, yan, kung kailan mo sisimulan, okay? Yan, so, mas maganda, simulan mo ng maaga. Nagets niyo po. So, yun sa akin lang is that it is not to convince you, pero at the end of the day, ikaw pa rin magko-convince sarili mo eh. Yan. Pero kung nakita mong kagandahan ng negosyo, mas maganda, simulan mo. Okay, kasi ano dito yung mga action takers are the money makers. Ika nga, no? Ayan. So, kumbaga, take action and accept nyo po. Okay, accept nyo yung yung what do you call this one? Yung opportunity. Okay, kasi naniniwala ko si Lord gagamit ng tao para i-bless tayo. Okay, so ito, ginamit lang yung tao nag-made sa iyo. Ako, ayan na may share to. Right? And I know, sobrang marami pa pong mangyayari. Okay, and maganda, maging part ka na sa mga magandang mangyayari dito. Okay? And magkano lang naman makapag-start Diba? Hindi naman siguro kakahirap mo yan yung, diba, yung starting dito. Okay? I guess yun po. So, yun, if you join, we welcome you. But if you don't want to, we're still friends. Okay? Ayan. So, ito po yung top 4 reasons why you should join. Number 1, we just officially launched globally. Okay? So, tayo nasa pillar pa lang. And number 2, high quality and very affordable products. So, sinabi ko na po sa inyo kanina. And number 3, marketing system, tools, and training. So, same din po, no? Ayan. Provided na po sa atin yung kakailanganin po natin. And a simple, powerful, and yet lucrative pay plan. Ayan. So, hindi na kailangan pag-isipan. Kasi nga, andyan na po Okay, andyan na po yung natin, yung blueprint natin. Alright? And napaka-generous din ng company. Okay? Kaya sabayan po natin. Okay? Ayan. And ang tanong, are you A, B, or C? Ayan. Alright? So, B and A if I were you. Kasi sayang din yung oras pag ibang option ka. Right? So, get back with the person that invited you and let them know if you're an A, B, or C. Ayan. And right now, grabe, no? Ayan, sa ating 1 million members movement. Okay? So, ayan guys, meron po tayong promotion. Okay? So, I think hanggang bukas lang yung promo na yan. Alright? Na for double entry. And so, December 14 and onwards. So, single entry na lang po siya. Okay? So, ayan. Simulan po ninyo. And pag sumali kayo, join nyo na family nyo para mayroon kayong chance na manalo. Okay? Ayan. Diba? Grabe, no? 10,000. That is half million. 50,000. That is 2.7. 2.8. Grabe. Okay? So, thank you so much. Get back with the person that invited you. And, ayan. If meron akong i-deliver sa inyo na isang verse, no? Ayan. Diba? Siyempre, niwala tayo sa plano ni Lord, diba? Sabi pa nga niya sa Jeremiah, for you know the plans I have for you. Not to prosper, not to harm you. Plans to give you hope in the future. Okay? So, maganda yung future na ginay sa atin. Kaya, what do you call this one? Tuloy lang and gawin nyo na po ng tama yung negosyo natin. Alright? So, hopefully, meron kayong natutunan. And, ayan po, no? Thank you so much sa inyo. God bless. And see you.